Paxton Products, the leader in drying and air rinsing solutions.
Changing the filter element on your Paxton blower. Ensure that your power has been disconnected and all lockout tagout procedures have been followed prior to performing any services on your blower. First, remove the wing nut holding on the main filter element. Remove the washer behind the wing nut. Grasp the filter element firmly and remove. Next, grab the silencer element, twist slightly and remove. Reinstall the silencer cartridge. Reinstall the main filter element. Place the washer on the stud. Retain the filter with the wing nut. Ensure the pre-filter covers the main filter element completely. For more information, visit PaxtonProducts.com or contact us today.